Hello guys, you are welcome to Bay, Being an Engineer YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn some important terms and symbols. In this video, you will understand the meaning of symbols and how to give them. This is part 1 of tutorial number 3. Let's have a look over today's content. We are going to see datum, datum feature, target datum, datum feature simulator, feature. Let's start with our first point, which is datum. So what is datum? Datum is theoretically exact point, axis or a plane from which all the dimensions are given. We will repeat again. Datum is theoretically exact point, axis or a plane from which all the dimensions are given. We can say datum as the origin or the reference from which all the dimensions are given. These are the views. Here we have shown datum A, datum B and datum C. So what does it means? While checking this part, it will be rested over the fixture like this. And here you can see its datums are rested on the fixture so that we can measure all the dimensions. And also here you can observe in the drawing that we have given almost all the dimensions from datums. Here you can see these dimensions are given from the datums A, these are given from the datum B and these dimensions are given from the datum C. Now our second term is datum feature. Datum feature is an actual portion of the part which is used to derive the datum. Many people gets confused in between datum and datum feature. But remember, datum exists only theoretically, while datum feature is there actually, means practically. We will see with an example. Consider a wooden block like this. We will plot its view. Here its datum A, B and C. And when part is actually produced, it will look something like this. We will draw its wireframe. So here its datum feature A, datum feature V and datum feature C. So I think now it's clear to you difference between datum and datum feature. Datum is on drawing only theoretically, while datum feature is there practically. Then how do we show datum? We show this by a capital letter inside a square frame with a leader extending from this frame up to concerned feature and terminating there by a triangle like this. This triangle can be filled as well as open like this. Both of these have a same meaning. Capital letters of alphabet from A to Z except I, O and Q are used for identifying datums. Each datum should have a different letter, but same datum in different view should be shown with the same letter. Now next point is target datum. Consider a plate with a very big size like 1000 by 1000 mm. This is a drawing. Here we have given a datum A, this datum B and C. You can check here this datum A is too large and it's very complex to put this much datum on a simulator. Also, if its surface is rough and have a bumps like this, there are chances that because of these bumps, whole part can wobble while checking as well as manufacturing. So we give some targeted area, point or axis from whole datum that we can call as a target datum or a datum target. Here we will give 3 datums like this. So when it will be put over the fixture or a simulator, it won't rest totally. Instead, we will put this part like this over the simulator. This picture will touch part at targeted points only. Now you can understand that it won't oval, instead having a bumps. So how it is shown by the symbol then? It is shown by this symbol. Here in upper half circle, we write the size of targeted datum and below datum identifying letter and targeted datum number. Here it's 590 and A1. Here it's 590 and A2, and it's 590 and A3. Next term is datum feature simulator. Again we will see with previous example. Here we have given a datum A, B and C. Means according to this we have to put this part like this while inspecting. So the part of inspection device which touches datum feature of a part is called as the datum feature simulator. Here we will separate both of these parts. So here this is a fixture and it's a part. Here it's datum feature A, B and C, while these are the datum feature simulators. So basically datum feature simulator is a part of a fixture. Fifth one is a feature. Up to coming here we have used this term many times. Also we are going to use in upcoming videos also. But what is the meaning of feature? Many of us really don't know what is the feature. We know if we join number of points together it will become a line, and if we put number of lines together it will become a plane. Similarly, any part is made up of features. Consider this part. If we plot its top view, here all 6 faces of a part are features which made this block like this. After that we have added 2 holes which made our actual part. Means feature is the thing which makes any part and we can dimension it. But always remember, feature is the only thing which we can touch. We will repeat again. Feature is the only thing which we can touch. It's not an imaginary. Here hole we can see in actual and we can touch. To all other features also we can touch. But axis of this hole can't be a feature because it's an imaginary and we can't touch it. Guys, this is a summary of our today's video. Please like and share video and subscribe our channel.